The sun was dipping low, painting the hallway in shades of violet and gold. Ali was the last one in the art room, putting the final touches on his masterpiece. He loved the way the school felt when it was sleepy and still. The school was quiet, the kind of quiet that makes your own footsteps sound like giant drums. Thump, thump, thump went Ali's sneakers as he walked down the long corridor toward the exit, his backpack bouncing against his shoulders. Suddenly, Ali stopped. From classroom 4B, a strange sound drifted out into the hall. It didn't sound like talking, but it didn't sound like silence either. It sounded like 100 tiny voices sharing a secret. SS's wish, SSS. Then, without a single hand to push it, the heavy wooden door swung shut. Click! The sound echoed through the empty school. The hallway suddenly felt a little narrower, and the shadows grew a little longer. The overhead lights gave a jittery blink. T-pop. For a second, everything went dark, then bright, then dark again. Ali felt his heart start to gallop like a pony in his chest. He wanted to run, but his feet felt like they were made of lead. Wait, Ali whispered to himself, remembering what his mother always said. If I run, the scary story in my head will only get bigger. He stood tall, shook out his hands, and reached for the cool brass handle of the door. He pushed the door open. The whispers were much louder inside the room. But as Ali looked around, he didn't see any ghosts or monsters. Instead, he saw dozens of math worksheets dancing across the desks and twirling in the air. Aha! Ali cried, a big smile breaking across his face. He noticed that the large window at the back of the room was unlatched. The evening breeze was rushing in, tossing the papers and making the door move. Just then, a tall shadow appeared in the doorway. "Working late, Ali?" a deep, friendly voice asked. It was Mr. Idris, the school watchman. He stood in the doorway with his big ring of jangling keys and a bright flashlight tucked under his arm. "The wind likes to play tricks in this old building," he said with a wink. Ali realized that when he stayed calm, the monsters turned back into the wind and the whispers turned back into paper. He walked to the front gate with Mr. Idris, knowing that bravery isn't about not being afraid. It's about looking a little closer.